Hi guys, today this is what I've made for my breakfast because I'm doing a healthy eating challenge. So this is my scrambled egg on bread, and I'm just going to get some ketchup out of the cupboard and then squirt it on. I'm just going to taste it first.
I'll taste it.
Good. Let's get some ketchup.
I'm not doing that.
I don't think we have any.
Yeah.
Mum, we haven't got any ketchup, have we? No. Oh. Alright, that's fine. I'll just have some pepper on it in my scrambled egg sandwich. Because that's what I'm having today, scrambled egg sandwich. Okay, now I'm gonna... If you don't touch it,
I'm not.
now I might have some HP sauce.
I'm not doing that.
First,
Guys, we should look at the best one egg.
Much salt. No, Evie, that's not salt. Just some salt on top of my egg because I'm a salty person. Oh, there's no salt either. Don't touch it. Oh, Evie. Stop it. My sister is trying to squirt this all over my food. So that's what I'm going to do, but I'm not going to squirt it all over. This is...
I'm going to do it, okay?
This
Break
is
your egg.
the
I'm going to
healthy-
get T-Rex.
So this is the healthy. And I'm going to sit down. You can bring the chair back now. And I'm going to bring... Can you go and get the chair? I'm going
Bye.
to bring you back over here. I'll go and get the chair.
Okay.
Okay, so the healthy eating challenge is going well so far because I'm enjoying my egg on toast. Nice. Evie,
What?
come over here. Bring your chair.
Okay, I'm coming.
It's really, really nice. Never had it before
Fish it.
at all. Okay, bread and egg.
Can you come with me? Please.
Hold it.
Finish. Oh, no. Ah! You have to push it.
I'm not pushing it. Get up. Okay, so I'm gonna carry on eating.
Another CC. Another
Bread
CC.
and egg. I'm just gonna show you Evie right now.
Another CC. Now, what is this colour?
So Evie's gonna show you some colouring. I'm gonna sit and show you my breakfast. Oh.
This colouring pencil is like this. Please share you, Mom.
You can have some wallpaper. It's over there.
Ow.
Oh, this is disgusting. I forgot to borrow cornflakes. Okay, so I'm just have a bite.
Chili, that's yours. But you can pour it.
Oh, my bread and egg. No, you can use it. Right, it's here. Okay, so far, bread and egg has gone nice.
Oh, cool.
I will do another video for my lunch and my dinner.
And then it's kind of green. And then yeah, okay.
Bread and egg and brown sauce.
I'm
All
going to
these
get
two
to
bacons.
I'm going to give Kiwi this one to get care. And the little kid.
Very nice.
And so,
So
well,
I've got this
what
much
do
left
we
of
wear?
one slice and that much left of the other.
That's what it is. So, well, that will come out around.
I have a slice and a bit.
Yeah, we'll do it to you.
Please. I'm not sure if any of you are watching the royal wedding today, but if you are, enjoy it.
You're lying.
Hmm?
You're lying. You can't behave you. You can't behave yourself. You have to get your best behavior. Now, get ready in your bed now. Is that what we do? Now make. Ta-da!
What is it?
Daniel Tiger. And that is.
Saturday is my favourite day of the week.
I'm making Daniel Tiger, and then I'm making Daniel Tiger.
She's making Daniel Tiger. And if you go to Netflix, you can watch it.
Buy the colour, and then do colour. And let's pick the orange. There we go.
The egg sandwich or the egg bread.
And you have to get some more to get up. And colour. And
It all keeps falling off.
Huh?
My egg all keeps falling off.
Huh?
My egg keeps falling off.
I can't help it now.
What's that? Let me draw Daniel Tiger. So this is my drawing of Daniel Tiger. It's not
That
great.
is my Daniel Tiger.
It's not great, but better than his.
And left it black.
Oh, I don't need black. I can do the eyes like this.
No, I do it.
I'm not an artiste.
Please.
Evie,
I have it.
Evie, let me draw Daniel Tiger, please.
Buy the colour. I could do.
Daniel Tigers.
I could do it.
That's not my Daniel Tiger.
Buy the colour of Daniel Tiger.
What are you doing?
Colouring you Daniel Tiger. Hey, stop it.
I coloured in your Daniel Tiger.
That's not fair.
Bread and egg. You should try it sometime. I prefer the ketchup, but also good.
She's got big eyes. She's got big eyes.
Oh,
No.
would you like a drink?
Yes, please. Show the side over there for me.
I've got some fruit and barley orange. Would you like some?
And I made it out to me.
You can talk.
And I just did to we got the Daniel Tiger. And the kiss. So, well, you can get. I can't never. There you go.
No!
I got this Siri.
No!
I can't see.
So
I saw. I
fruit and
never
barley, and I had orange at the bottom when I filled it up with water.
I never see.
Okay, I'm going to move it back a bit so we
Let
can
me
put the camera out.
I know what it is. Okay, Daniel
Evie,
Tiger.
would you like some?
Yes, please. You can do breakfast.
Huh?
You can do breakfast.
Yeah, I was mixed one.
I've been my breakfast.
Here.
Thank you.
Yummy. So,
Well, I don't see because obviously they did the thing.
this is what it is. Fruit and barley juice. orange.
One is two, three,
And when we get down to about here, we just
and
put
one
water.
to
Stick it in the fridge. That's another.
Mummy, you
10
want
servings.
tea? You want orange clear, and
Really nice.
I see you want egg. I see you want egg.
Egg sandwich.
Egg. See, what's your name?
I need some more orange now. I'm thirsty.
See, what's your name?
Yeah.
There.
Would you like a top up?
Yeah, please.
I'm gonna have a big top up.
I might give more than you.
Top up. So that's already 4 cups of orange juice.
My dad would like a big ear.
There, on the bottle. There.
An ear.
Good.
And I have a series. This is orange.
I need to show the viewers how to find my channel and all my other videos. So this is my channel. This is my channel, guys. T Smith. Go and subscribe. Hit that big subscribe button and like this video. So this is a mixed video. I've also got.
And then next one
A little.
this
might not
is my
know.
video.
You might not know what's in it, but Evie does, and I
You
do.
got
And she just told you. Yes.
a Wi-Fi.
Slime.
Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi.
And I'm just testing it. No, I'm testing it. I made
Oh,
it yesterday.
it's nice. Let's take it. Let's take it.
Let me put it on.
Let's make it.
It's really sticky still. It's not actually a nice one.
A Wi-Fi.
Hold on. I might make some videos
Video.
tomorrow and I'll make slime. And then
I'll make slime tomorrow.
I might make slime tomorrow. Get it wet. Okay, so I'm going to put this back in the
Where are you going to? This is video that came to slime. Can I not try?
No, you can have a bit of it.
Oh,
I just got a little bit because that one on my fingers and then I thought I'd get it off.
you're sticky.
I am sticky. Hold on, let me just make it. So, let me just check what is this slime.
And it's very sticky, but it's never to get off. But I know I'm gonna have a try.
I don't think you can. Because it literally has to.
Me to help.
No, it's turned into water, but you can't. It has literally turned into water.
Was that even all?
Which certainly
The ball on the mid slime. Oh.
Evie, why?
Where's that one? Oh.
What have you done?
Nothing!
She's fighting the glass.
No, I did not throw a glass, Evie. Why are you lying?
She broke the
I
glass.
did not break
Break the glass.
I did not break a glass.
It's not broken though.
There isn't even a glass there.
Why?
Just tied it up. You tied it up last year.
Yeah.
Mom,
It's not up. It's not done. You need some showers. You need
Hey.
Hit the foot like this and you hit the foot like that. Down. This and you do what is there in that footwork. Okay, go with Tilly with an IE underscore Rose underscore XXX. Peace, guys.